Hello and welcome to this AI Viral Downline review. I'm going to be answering the question, is it really this simple? So for those of you that do not know me, my name is Celia Clark. I will be your video tour guide throughout this video presentation. And what I aim to do here is give you a review of AI Viral Downline that shows how the system works, even if all you can do is copy and paste a link and share it online. That's really all the skill set you need. Copy and paste a link and have somewhere to copy and paste it to. So I break down exactly why this system appeals to beginners and non-tech users, which may be you, or other people that you're sharing this with are beginners and non-tech users. The main point is you don't need to make videos like I'm doing here. You don't need to explain anything or sell anyone. Just copy and paste that link, like I said, to social media, emails, comments, forums, or anywhere links are allowed. Yeah, that's important where they're allowed. Don't spam. And the system handles the explanation for you. Our lady Emily handles the explanation for you. So what happens here is, of course, you get an AI viral downline affiliate link like the one you see up here I just highlighted. That is mine. Excuse me. And once you share this link and someone pops on the link and goes here, your prospects land on a simple page. Watch this 36-second, I think, preview of what AI Viral Downline is, both as a business and they will get an idea of what the actual product is. I'll be illustrating that in a later video, but I digress. So what they do is they talk with the AI Emily over here. Once they start their 7-day free trial, Emily will walk them through everything they need to know in plain language, answers common questions, and just walks them through the process. So, just to reiterate, you're not required to be on camera or even repeat the same explanation over and over. Now, exactly what is AI Viral Downline? Well, as I've already told you, AI Viral Downline is a 24/7 automated recruiting system paired with a real digital product, which I'll get into here in a moment. So the automated 24/7 recruiting system is the link you share. People come to the page, watch the video, start their 7-day free trial, talk to Emily. Life is good. Okay. And what it does, it can do this over and over and over. And how things work, it'll tell them and sell them without you having to do it, having to step in and explain things over and over. Now, the product inside AI Viral Downline is a social media posting tool. Okay. It's an AI posting machine. It's a social media automation tool that businesses in any niche can use to stay visible online without having to have somebody dedicated to posting manually all day. Okay. What that means is most of the businesses out there, they know their brand voice, they know what they're into, their claims to fame, their background, and their story. So the AI social media posting tool, all they do, and I'm going to cover this in a future video, but I'm giving you a quick, short, and dirty overview. Go in, you put stuff in about your business. It's real simple. You click a button for the brand voice, you click another button for the mission, click a button for highlights, whatever's part of your business you want to put out there. And once you put in the basics, you cut the social media posting tools and it'll create social media posts for you. You could do up to like 4 times a day, every day for 28 days. I do believe is how that works. So what I'm saying is you're selling a valuable tool to other people outside of this particular niche, meaning offline businesses, other online businesses, whoever can use this so that they feed this thing to basics. It makes the post for them. You approve the posts. You look at how it's scheduled. You cut it loose and it does its thing. You don't have to sit there all the time posting. So awesome. That's super easy to sell. So that's twofold. Of course, the AI viral downline business, selling the social media posting tool, and the social media posting tool itself by proxy is the product you get, they get. Everybody's life is great because they don't have to sit in front of the computer all dang day. Okay. So, like I said, I put this video out because people are searching for an AI viral downline review. who want a simple system, maybe have a simple set of skills. Like I said, you can copy and paste. And if you share it on Facebook, you can share it on your Facebook pages. You know, if you have a blog, if anywhere you can comment or just send it to folks that would be interested directly um, via messenger. That is, if they want to know about it. So that's really, really simple. And like I said, there's a 7-day free trial, as it says right here. No credit card required, no obligation. So that, in short, is my AI Viral Downline review. And my opinion, yes, it is really that simple. Let me let me just say, my personal experience. I was copying and pasting this link into some very simple, very old school traffic sources, which I've been using for years. Really, really not shiny objects. And within my first 7 days, I had someone that came in, took the store, and upgraded. So yeah, this sucker came on December the 1st, and I believe it was December the 6th, someone popped off, and I had my first commission. So that's super, super cool. It's that easy. Copy and paste the link, do your thing, share it with people, and let the system do the rest. As a matter of fact, I'm going to get all excited here and show you a quick demo of how easy this is, okay? So there's the link that everybody gets, even the free trials. You take it, you copy it, you go to a Facebook page you have. Let's say you have one. This is one of mine. You go here. What's on your mind, gang? Just sharing a super simple moneymaker I found. You have to know how to do is copy and paste. Message me for details. See link and comments. Now it's a little advanced. Holy crap. Look what I did. I don't even care. It's all capitals because I wasn't paying attention. See? Even if you don't know how to type, it works. So I'm going to hit next. I'm going to hit post. No, I don't. So it's posting. Then once your stuff posted right here, you're going to go down here. You're going to take your AI Viral Downline link. And because Facebook gets a little excited, you're going to go and comment. Here is the link. Bam. And comment. And then you're going to take it. Since you're the owner of the Facebook page, you would be in this case. And you can actually pin that once it's time. So that's all you have to do. Like I said, I even frigged the pig royally here. But it doesn't matter as long as you can type, copy, and paste a link. It's that simple. So again, thanks for joining me in this AI Viral Downline review. And like I said, in my opinion, it is that simple. If you can copy and paste a link, you can share this to other people, and you're, giving them the opportunity to have a very valuable product, which is the AI social media posting tool. That once they plug their information in, it cuts loose the rest, so they don't have to sit on their computer and post all the dang time. All right, until we speak again, don't forget, mash that like, comment, subscribe button, the bell icon down below. If you want to see the other old school non-shiny object traffic sources, they'll be in the description as well. So like I said, keep on keeping on, be yourself, help others, never quit.